Hey Divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys a tutorial on this smoky eye. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know the palette that we will be using. We'll be using this Warrior palette by Juvias Place. I know this palette is not new or anything, but I absolutely love it, and I just feel like you can do so many different looks with this palette, so I definitely will recommend it. I love it. I know you fabulous divas already probably have it, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know this is the palette that I'm using, and this palette is amazing and I love it. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right to the tutorial. Okay divas, so let's jump right in. I already did my brows. I am gonna have a brow tutorial soon. I just use so many different brow products, so I will update you guys with the brow products that I'm using right now. So but that will be another video. This is to focus on the smoky eye that some of you guys really liked on one of my recent uploads. So let's get into it. I feel like you guys should be a tad bit closer. I probably should have got my other lens, but I'm too lazy, so let's just work with this one. Okay, so now I feel like you guys are more than close enough. Like, this is very personal. So let's go ahead and start off with a base. Of course you need a good base. I like to use, and you can use whatever you want to use, but this is just my choice. I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this was in the shade Toffee. That's also what I use to clean up the bottom of my brow. So yeah, I'm just gonna place some of that onto my lid and then blend that out. To blend it out, I'm going to be using this Real Techniques sculpting brush. This is actually meant for your face, but I love to use it to blend out my base for my eyeshadows. So I do not set this with powder because I feel like it disturbs the texture and feel of your eyeshadows as well as the appearance, but it's all on personal preference. You can't go in and set it, but for me personally, I just don't like to do that. Now the palette we're going to be using today is the Warrior palette. This is by Juvias Place. I know this is not new, but I am new to Juvias Place eyeshadows and I've been absolutely loving them, and this is all that I use to create this eyeshadow look. So yeah, let's jump right in. I also want to let you guys know that we are only going to be using one brush, and that is this brush. When I created the look, I only used one brush because the rest of my makeup brushes were dirty, but I still wanted a smoky eye. So yeah, this is going to be super beginner friendly and just nice because we're only using one brush. And this is the Morphe M505 brush. So yeah, let's jump right in. So first I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here, and I'm going to be placing that on my brow bone. The next color I'm going to be taking is this one, and I'm going to be applying that into my crease and blowing it out just a little bit. Going back into that color, I'm going to take some and I'm going to pat it on. I do want this color to be a little bit intense in like this area, so that when my smoky eye kind of like goes up gradiently, because it's like a light, it's not like a super dark black and smoky eye. I just want it to have like that beautiful like warm brownish type of color on the edge. So I'm just gonna build it up and blow it out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what it takes with smoky eyes. This one is very easy, but it is like a lot of like packing and blending and reapplying and all that good stuff. So now that we have that done, we are going to go in with this deep brown color, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it slightly up into my crease, just enough so that we can have the smokiness like on the lid and it not be too overbearing for the eye, because it is a smoky eye, but I didn't want it like when I did it first in that video, I did not want it to be like overbearing. I just wanted it to be like a soft, sexy smoky eye. So I'm going to be using this color as a highlighting color. I am going to take my highlighter brush. I always, or for the most part, I like to put a highlighter on my brow bone and in my inner tear duct. So I like to use a different brush to do that because this is like my highlighting thing. So this is a, I forgot what kind of brush this is. I've had it for so long. Oh, Sonia Cashew. So this is my Sonia Cashew. It's a accent brush. It came out quite a while ago. I don't know if it's still available, but I'm going to be taking this color here. It's like very, very pretty for highlight. So I'm going to take that on my brow bone and in my inner tear duct area. So as far as liner, everything, I did not apply any liner to my upper lash line, only to my lower lash line or my waterline. So I will do that more towards the end. I don't like to do it before I do my foundation and everything. But I just did apply lashes to my top lash line, and I use these. These are lashes that I get from either a swap meet or I get them from the beauty supply. These are the 3D Mink human hair lashes, and these ones are in the style US 30. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these and then actually apply my makeup and everything, and then I'll be back to finish. So I'm just gonna do like my foundation and everything, and then I'll come back to do like highlighter and lipstick and all that stuff. Okay, so I put on my foundation and everything. Now I wanted to come back and do my highlighter, my eyeliner, as well as my lipstick. So first I'm going to start off by using this, which I am very low on, but this is the Prep and Prime by MAC, and this is the rose one. I like to use this like right before I put on my my highlighter, and then after as well. So now for my highlighter, I'm going to use this one by Morphe. It's called Mirage. I've been really, really loving it. It's like a really beautiful gold type of color. It's like a, I don't know, yeah, it's like a really beautiful gold color. So I'm going to be applying this, and to apply it, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. I absolutely love this. This is my holy grail for applying all my highlighter. So next I'm going to go on with my eyeliner by ColourPop. This one is called Swerve, which I need to get a new one because I don't know, I like broke it or something. But anyways, I'm going to be using Swerve. It's like a really deep dark black, and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line and my waterline. So moving on to lips, first I'm going to apply my Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC, and then I'm going to apply Naturally Transformed, that is also by MAC, and then for my gloss I'm going to go in with Morphe's Free Birds, so that is my lippy combo. Okay divas, so this is pretty much it. This is my smoky eye that I did in that video. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed and found this very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's any other makeup looks that you guys would like to see, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.